Well, at this point, I might as well open up a restaurant. Because, baby, the way these leg quarters came out. Because what are we calling my new restaurant? I had no idea an electric smoker was this easy. So the question is, are you team smoker or team barbecue grill? And I seasoned that chicken to perfection. You see it. I added a few broth. And this is truly a set it and forget it. Only thing I did a few hours later was come outside and give it a little basting. And honey, I was ready to eat. I paired it with some baked beans and potatoes. What Unc say? Tender. We eat at 5. You pulling up or nah?